HP LaserJet black and white printer, MFP 4103 FDW. So it has a tray 1, tray 2. So this is a tray 1, which is adjustable. You can adjust. And this is the tray 2. Power button, display. This comes with the ADF, automatic document feeder, and this is a copy and scan manually. You see the back side. This is the backside connections, USB port, Ethernet, power. This is a dummy, no, there is no connection here. 2 ports, Ethernet and USB port. So let's copy something. It's power button. Display is on. It's only black and white printer. You can adjust the paper here. So now display came. Let's copy something. So if you want to use the automatic document feeder, should be keep like this. The document letter should be up. So take copy, document, one sheet, copy. So quick print. Yeah, thank you for watching.